Welcome to the Stage 1 Bookkeeping course. Are you struggling to understand Stage 1 bookkeeping, or are not sure if you are doing your accounts correctly, or maybe you are new to accounting and bookkeeping and would like to enroll on a structured step-by-step affordable online course where you can study at your own pace? This course is designed for anyone who is perhaps a small business owner, as it gives you coverage of the basic use of a commercially available software, which is suitable for the production of small business accounts. This course is also suitable for students or anyone wishing to gain and understand how Stage 1 works, and for anyone wishing to continue studies within bookkeeping or anyone just starting out. First, you will need to sign up to Stage 1's free trial. So type Stage 1 in the Google search bar, select the first one, try accounting, put the business name as Fred's Food Store, or you can indeed use your own, your name, telephone, this can be real or made up, sign up directly, enter your email address, okay, you need to create a password with characters and numbers, complete sign up. You would need to select sole trader, enter the business address, you can leave your own telephone number here, or you can make one up. Select save and continue. As the business is VAT registered, we'll select standard. Put in the number. And select all done. You should come to the home screen.